A routine website asks for a quick human check, a CAPTCHA, but this one is different. Instead of clicking traffic lights, it asks the visitor to press a few keys: Windows, then R, Control, then V, then Enter. It looks like security verification. According to a new FTC alert, it is the opening move of a scam that installs malware with the visitor's own hands. This is a VIDANALYTICA cyber intelligence briefing. In a new consumer alert, the Federal Trade Commission warns of a phishing scam disguised as a CAPTCHA, the familiar human verification check that tricks people into running hidden malware on their own devices. A real CAPTCHA is harmless. It proves a visitor is human with simple image or text tasks, typing letters and numbers exactly as they appear, or matching pictures of everyday objects like fire hydrants or traffic lights. It never asks anyone to run a command. The fake version looks almost identical. An unexpected CAPTCHA appears while browsing, asking to verify a visitor is human, but instead of a picture puzzle, the message says to type a series of commands, something like Windows plus R, then Control plus V, then Enter. Those keystrokes are the trap. The screen may say security verification, but the sequence quietly pastes and runs hidden malware on the device. The check that looks like a safety step is actually the installation. Once the malware is in place, the theft is fast. Scammers can harvest email account logins, mobile banking credentials, and any other information they can reach, turning one careless step into access across a victim's digital life. The single clearest tell is simple. A real CAPTCHA will never ask anyone to run commands on a device. Any verification step that says to press keys, paste, and hit enter is not a CAPTCHA. It is an attack. If something begins downloading after a CAPTCHA, fast action limits the damage. The FTC's first steps are to disconnect from the internet, cutting off access to shopping and banking accounts, and then run a security scan to remove the malware. From there, recovery continues. Software and apps should be kept up to date to catch viruses, passwords should be changed, and two-factor authentication should be enabled using a separate device, in case the malware already handed an intruder the keys. Finally, reporting helps stop the spread. Anyone who spots a CAPTCHA or pop-up that seems designed to deliver malware is encouraged to report it to the Federal Trade Commission through its fraud reporting service. This briefing summarizes a consumer alert from the Federal Trade Commission, with supporting guidance from CISA, shared for informational and educational purposes only. VIDANALYTICA is not affiliated with, and does not represent, any government agency, organization, or brand named in the source. Stay informed and stay resilient.